Today, I'm going to show you how to use checkboxes in Excel to track your progress or your to-do list. I'm also going to show you how to format your cells so that the color changes as you progress on the task. What you want to do is, let's say you have a list like this and you have your status bar. Highlight this and go to Insert and click on checkbox. When you click on each cell, you see this is false, but once you change it and tick it, it becomes true. Now, this is what we're going to use to create our formula bar here. Now, what you want to do is click on equal to count if, open bracket, highlight the range of cells, and what is the criteria. If it is true, we want to find what percentage of the total value you represent. So you do divided by, then you count A. Count A is to count values, not numbers. Open brackets, then highlight your cells again. Close bracket. Yours may look a little bit different because my list is already formatted as a table, but it's the same process. So I'm just going to click here, go to Home, change it to percentage, and put it at the center. So when I click any of these boxes, it changes to the appropriate percentage. Now, how do we change the color of this cell? I'm going to click on this cell, then go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. We'll start from less than. If it is less than 50%, let it fill with a light red dark fill. Okay, go back to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. If it is between 50% and say 70%, I want it to have a yellow fill showing that you're almost done, but there's still something to be done. And lastly, go back to conditional formatting. If it is greater than, say, 70%, I want you to fill with a green fill and click on OK. Alternatively, if you want a specific color, you can always click greater than, and instead of clicking any of the preset colors, go to custom format. Go to custom format and pick either your font color here or your fill color here. Okay, so let's see if this is done. So when I click on this 60%, 70%, 80%, it changes to green. And when I reduce the number of tasks I have done, it changes to red. I hope you found this useful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these great tutorials and hacks to use in Excel. Have a nice one.